Hey guys, good evening. Namaskar. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Bank Nifty and the trade plan for tomorrow, which is 16th October, Wednesday. So today, Bank Nifty behaved initially for the first half of the day. It behaved as per my plan, which I had given yesterday. So if you go back and see the video for Bank Nifty, I had said that today. Uh, the mob level given was 28,375. Okay, so the mob level given was exactly this, right? And I said that it might probe around 28,525. It will probe this level, and then I'm looking for a fall on the downside. Okay, so Bank Nifty uh, till about 1:30 p.m. Bank Nifty touched the upper level, which was 28,525, and thereafter it started this fall. So it gave a quick fall of about 200 points, but it couldn't sustain on the downside. Okay, and I had given a short call also on Facebook, but this fall started and it couldn't sustain, and again it zoomed up very sharply. Okay, so nowadays we are used to watching such sharp spikes in Bank Nifty. So this trade, my short trade got failed in today's session. So that was something which I was not expecting, but honestly it failed. However, if you recall the levels which I had given yesterday, if you recall the levels, I had given mob level as 28,375 and said that my personal bias will be on downside, and it started to work also, but then it got reversed. But if for those who are strictly following the technical levels which I am giving, no matter where it goes, in 70% of the cases, there is a very high chance that you will make money if you are quick enough in taking the trades and you are not emotionally attached. At least for the intraday trading, you will make money. So the mob level given was 28,375, uh, and if anybody who had taken a long trade, the upside range of 525 and 725 both got hit. Even the high was exact almost 725. Okay, and I had said that I'm not expecting the gap which is here. If I can zoom out, I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this gap. Okay, so this gap, I had said that I'm not expecting the gap to be filled in today's session, which is Tuesday. Okay, so it pierced into this gap but came down again quickly. So that was about today's session. On daily chart, again the same problem, declining volumes. Today, after a gap of 2 days, we have managed to put a bodied candle which was missing in last 2 days. On weekly time frame, we are again, I mean, this box, entire box is a kind of big headache for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, till it is trading below this zone on weekly basis, Bank Nifty has a lot of downside open. Okay, so this needs to be cleared. So this is the main headache for Bank Nifty on weekly charts. So that is on higher time frame. Now, quickly, let's come back to trading plan for tomorrow. So for tomorrow, what do I have in my mind? For uh, tomorrow, the mob level uh, is 675. So for tomorrow's session, the mob level is 28,625. So around here, around the same closing price, the same closing price, 28,625. Now this is important. Till market is sustaining this, Bank Nifty can shoot higher. Tomorrow's range, expected range is 28,225 to 28,975. So almost again 750 points range I am expecting tomorrow in Bank Nifty. Okay, so the upside pending gap, I think tomorrow that gap should be filled. Okay, so we might see a gap up opening or a flattish opening, and that gap can be filled. So basically, tomorrow's candle, I'm expecting to look for Bank Nifty. I'm expecting it to look something like this, Okay, so the candlestick pattern will obviously be different because depending on the open and close, but the range will be like this. So the range is about 750 points. Mob level is 28,625, and upside, first upside I'm looking at 28,825. So 28,825 is very safe. It can be seen. Okay, now once the mob level is taken out, okay, once suppose market has opened gap up or market is sustaining above the mob level and higher levels are being touched, but once the mob level is taken out, I'm looking at a sharp fall at 225. So this gap, which is slightly unfilled, I'm expecting 28 to 25 if our mob level doesn't hold, or if suppose, see, there are many ways in which markets can work tomorrow. So say for example, market opens gap up, it goes on upside, completes the upside targets, and then in second half some news comes or whatever, it might fall. Okay, so in that case, if once the upside targets are done, and then if mob doesn't hold, the fall if comes, it will be till 28,000 to 25. So basically, if mob fails, then I will short. If mob is holding, then very tight stop loss, kind of long trades for this quick 200, 300 points. Okay, traders, if you are following the levels, okay, you can trade on both the side, because my main forte lies in finding out the mob level. If you see, out of 10 cases, 7 to 8 cases, the mob level will be very, very solid. Okay, so that decides the trend for intraday. So I find that level using lot of things, technicals, sentiment, BWAPs, and there are so many things involved. So that mob level is the main thing, and then upside and downside, it is quite easier to find out. So the levels are good enough. It's just that you have to trade without with a neutral bias. That will help you in the long run. Sometimes, uh, see, actually, it's not at all possible to be without any kind of bias. But sometimes we can be free from bias, especially when somebody else is giving you the levels and all. But once you generate your own levels and ideas, it becomes very difficult to come out of that bias. That bias holds you. So, okay, enough of philosophy. So tomorrow, these are the levels. Range, I'm expecting 750 points. I'm expecting little bit more swings during the day. Okay, so I'm expecting some volatility tomorrow. Okay, today was almost kind of one way trip, but tomorrow I'm expecting volatility both in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. And uh, I think tomorrow we will touch both the sides. So let's see what happens tomorrow. The first downside support is 325 and then 225. Yeah, that's about it. Thursday will be very interesting, because I think I'm foreseeing what is going to happen on Thursday. But let's keep the suspense. Let us first watch the movie of tomorrow, and then in tomorrow's video I will upload the trading plan for Thursday. Thursday and Friday are going to be big bang days. So tomorrow, let's see how market behaves. So that's all, guys, for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will like it and share it and subscribe to YouTube channel. I'll be back tomorrow again with same Bank Nifty and Nifty analysis. And till then, take care, good night, and let's meet tomorrow.